Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin update for Friday 2nd of September. And yep, such a failed week this is for Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin is trying to like move up and everything, and all it's doing is nothing. The only answer I have to you for Bitcoin right now and what Bitcoin is doing is that Bitcoin is just moving sideways. There's nothing else. This is only sideways movement. And what do you do in a sideways movement? You avoid trading. You just don't want to trade a sideways movement, because with every red candle the plan changes, with every green candle the plan changes, with every red candle again the plan can kind of change, and you're just moving sideways. And this is a preparation for me for the weekend to go to the downside. Okay, I feel way more confident that you are gonna dump by tomorrow, because the way you are behaving, the way you have a bear, as a matter of fact, it's logic, right? It's just logic. Here's your bear flag. You broke out of it, came down, consolidate, break down. You're coming down to $18,000 and it's only just 2-3 days away. So by Sunday, I do see Bitcoin coming down and closing near 17,800, or perhaps at least 18,000 is where Bitcoin is coming in before it makes a small relief up to 19,400. Get rejected here and then continue perhaps to the downside, right? So be very, very careful. It's Friday right now, so let's check the 4-hour time frame as well, and let's see what exactly we are trying to pull with the 4-hour time frame. By the way, before we talk about the 4-hour time frame, I do have the daily, and the daily is really bad because the daily does have an hanging man if you look at it, and that's a bearish candlestick. So if you do zoom in there, this is a hanging man right there, and from hanging man the prices can start to move to the downside here. So be very, very careful, right? And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Bitcoin. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.